I know a lot of you started 2026 with a lot of aspirations. You started this year with a lot of goals, especially financial goals. You told yourself that this year is going to be that year where you'll be making so much good amount of money for yourself. You told yourself that this year is that year that you get a car, that you get a landed property, and you start developing your house and all that. You get. When a new year starts, people actually have a lot of goals that they set. But the truth is, it is not everyone who is setting a goal that will achieve that goal. And the reason is because your ability to take actions fast determines how successful you will become in that particular year. And the thin line or the distance between someone who is going to be poor in 2026 and someone who is going to make a good amount of money in 2026 is their ability to take and make decisions fast. Now, I'm going to actually walk you through a chart, someone who actually wanted to purchase the ZTH Amazon KDP blueprint. And this guy actually messaged me. If you can see up here, he messaged me on the 28th of December 2025. And his first message was, "Hi." You understand? Now you are coming to someone's DM, you are looking for a solution, and your first message is "Hi." No introduction, you didn't state the reason why you are there. You just said "Hi." And I don't know why I just, went with the flow and I kept responding to this guy's message. And the thing I actually responded to him, I said, "Go on." And he was like, came across you on YouTube concerning KDP. Need to know more about what you do and your services in that regard. So I responded to this guy, "What do you want to know?" You guys should pay attention because you will learn something that is very important about decision making. A lot of people, the reason why they are where they are in this life right now is because they can't make life changing decisions. And the reason why most of you that will end up poor this year is just because of this reason: seeing an opportunity that can change your life and you don't take advantage of that opportunity or make that decision that will dramatically change your life. So let's go on. So I said, "What do you want?" And he said, "You spoke about biography niche for kids." So I responded, "So what do you want in regards to that?" And he responded, "That is the area I am particularly interested in." And he was like, "Can you teach me about that? What does it cost? Hope it's affordable too, because I'm out of job for now, trying to see what I can do to make money online." This particular person that is sending me these messages, asking me a lot of questions, is out of job. I am this guy who can teach you how to make money online legally. For a matter of fact, when it comes to book publishing in Africa right now, I am the only coach that can teach you how to run this business effectively without complaints and with you getting results from whatever I show you. So let's go on. And he said, "I need to learn how to publish book on Amazon on biography niche. High profitable biography publication without compromising on the KDP rules that may warrant them terminating my account, since I also learned that biography is a risky niche." I said, "It's 30K. So I stated the price of the course for him, and he was like, "Please be fair, sir. Is that the last? Things are rough with me at the moment, please. Is this for biography niche alone or your course for KDP total course as a whole?" I did a voice note for him and he was like, "Can I call you direct, please, here via WhatsApp?" I said, "Go on." I think he called me. We talked for a while and he was like, we talked for about 9 minutes 50 seconds. I spent 9 minutes 50 seconds on phone with this guy. Now, if I want to charge you for a consultation, for you to talk to me on phone for consultation, I actually charge 100K. So let's divide 100K by 10 minutes. This guy should be paying me 30,000 just for, communicating with me for that 10 minutes. Now, but let's go on. And he was like, "We like if," after the 9 minutes call, he dropped another message again. And he was like, "We like a video on how to publish on biography as a whole and a special video for kids to separate." Now he's requesting special video. Please, you guys should stay with me because I also have an offer before the end of this video. Now I said, "You get money to pay?" And he was like, "Not really, but 30K is much, sir. Come down a little bit less deal. As long as I will get good value for it, I will still recommend you to hundreds of people I have in my contact list." First of all, you don't have money. And most of the people that you recommend to me are still broke people like you who don't still have money to pay for my mentorship. So saying that you will recommend me to people is totally wrong. Saying that because coming from someone who can barely pay for a course for themselves, because I'm getting to that point. He's not even the one that is paying for this course. Someone is paying for him. And this guy is actually putting me through all these questions, through all this scrutiny, just to get a course. Now, let's go on. And he was like, who are interested in making money online to try your stuff out? And this guy, I even sent some sense of arrogance in him. I said, I don't need your recommendations, and if you haven't found my content valuable, you won't be here. The least I can help you with is 25k. I dropped an account number. I told him to send proof of payment, and he was like, let me do 20 please. And again, hope is not just matter of watching videos. He actually talked a lot, and I will patiently read this message for you guys. Matter of watching video alone. Hope I can reach you out for questions if need be, and you will be there to guide me as frequently as possible till I start making money and as good at and start making money frequently. See, I start making money and good at it, because I believe that is what coaching should be all about. I have not exercised the level of patience that I had with this guy chatting with him. I have not exercised this level of patience. Initially when I started, talking about the ZTH Amazon KDP blueprint a year ago, I qualified people that can be part of the mentorship. Now, the reason why I qualified people is I don't want everybody to get the course. I want people who are serious and willing to make money to get the course. You understand? So if I see someone like this that is asking me so much questions, I just see them as people who will not even take the course serious even when they get the course. If you want to know someone who will succeed in something, it's not by too much cho. It's not by too much asking of questions or too much this. If something is really important to you, you don't have to put someone through all these messages. This is just what I'm talking about, the inability to make decisions that can change their life. Now, the acronym for poverty, if you would know, by one of my mentors, Dr. Emmanuel, is passing over opportunities repeatedly. Poor people pass over opportunities repeatedly. Most of you guys, the information you need to succeed in 2026 is in someone's head, it's in a course, it's in a mentorship, it's in a guidance that you will pay for. But I want to do it myself mentality will not allow you to break out of that situation that you are. You understand? And I don't want to spend on this. I can, go to YouTube and get any content I want. That is what will actually keep you in that same condition that you are last year. You get? So let us actually continue. I said, no wonder, since he said he has only watched one of my video, then I said he should send the 20k. He continued again, but I will still go for more later with time. I just watched one of your video, biography writing for kids. I say send proof of payment. He was talking too much, and he was like, okay, we'll send it this month end. This guy does not even want to buy the course at the meantime. He will send it month end, and he was like, all right, please take note of what I said. Hope you will be there for me to always guide you through and all that. This guy said a lot of things, and he messaged me. That was yesterday, and he was like, New Year, how are you doing? Okay. And he said, please, does your course come with terms and conditions? This guy has started with questions and questions and question again in 2026. This guy stressed me out in 2025. He has started with questions and questions again in 2026. I said everything is explained in the course, what to do and what not to do. And he was like, okay, but is there any tag on the limit, a time limit, and I'm supposed to use the course? Or let's say, does it have time duration, like the time frame he was talking about? If the course was a lifetime access or was something that you just have access to for a particular period of time. And I told him it's a lifetime access. If you pay for the course once, you have access to the course as far as you are here on earth. So, and he was like, okay, I will get back, please, thanks. He came back again, and he was like, don't be offended, bro, but if you don't mind, can you kindly provide me with proof of earnings, sir, or earnings of your student? It is my brother that's paying for the course for me, and he really wants me to get value for the money. The money he's talking about is 20,000 naira. First of all, this course that I created is not created because I want to make money from it. You understand? This course that I created was created because I heard people crying, and because I had a solution, I had to create something like this to provide a solution for them, because there were a lot of scams and a lot of misconception and misinformation, and people were not getting results. That is why I created this course. So after he said this, I just sent him the link of the course so that he can get any information he will get about the course. And I said, you can go through this page, all your answers are there. Now, from yesterday that this guy contacted me, and I sent him the link so that he can go through the testimonials that is in the product page, this guy has not responded to me again. Now, there are some of you that are watching this video right now that the only thing that will stop you this year is this kind of mindset. You understand? This kind of mindset. The inability to take action on things that will change your life. Now, I talked about a 90 days challenge. And in that 90 days challenge, I told you guys that I will be showing you strategies on what will help you make your first $5,000 in the space of 90 days. And I told you guys that I was going to be sharing strategies. I was going to be going on live Zoom and, giving you tips, tricks on how to publish that will help you in this amount of money in this space of 90 days. Now, I want you to look at the group. And I told you this group, I am only taking 50 persons in this group. Now, the group is almost filled up. As you can see, there are 48 members already, which means there is only 2 slots left. Now, a lot of people have been coming to my DM to actually expand the number of people that will go through this course, that will go through the 90 days challenge. And I have decided to do that. I'll be adding 10 more persons, which will be 12 persons. So if you are watching this video and you want a mentorship from Value Bank, you want me to mentor you, you want to be among this challenge, all you need to do is to contact me on WhatsApp and say you want to make payment for the course on a discounted price of 20,000 naira. If you are making payment also in the product page of this course, you can go click on the link, first link in the description of this video. You will see a coupon code where you can apply and you get a discount. You understand? Now, what you will get is you will be added in the challenge group. Whatever is done in that 90 days, strategies that will be shared, you will be among the first people that will actually get those strategies. It will be a recorded section also, in case you want to go back to the videos and still get some points that is being discussed in the live sections. You can still go back to the videos and still get some value that is discussed in the live section. You will also get access to my Google Playbooks course. You understand? I will be giving you that course for free just because you are paying during this time. This challenge is starting on the 10th of January. And on the 9th, if you are unable to make payment to be among the 12 persons, you will not have that opportunity again. And it's because of this kind of people I'm actually increasing the cost of getting this course. And I'll be going back to my initial, way of actually looking at people, qualifying people if they are a fit for my course. Like, this kind of human being is not a fit for my course, and I'm not seeing this kind of person, except he is willing to learn. I'm not seeing this kind of person that is not decisive, does not take decisions fast, going through my course and getting results from it. You understand? Because their mindset, first of all, is being corrupted, and they are coming from a lack mentality. Amazon KDP is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Amazon KDP is a business that you will have to learn the skills that will make you the money. So if you are saying that I am broke and I am looking for something to do online, and Amazon KDP is that vehicle that you want to use to make money fast, you will not make money fast with Amazon KDP. It is true that if you understand it, you can make money. You can publish today and make money the next day. But to get that skill of publishing a book today and making money the next day requires time. You understand? So I'm not this kind of person that will tell you that buy this course, you make so and so in the next 30 days. I am telling you what is obtainable. I am telling you what my students have achieved. I am telling you what I have done. I am telling you what is working for me and what is also working for my students. So if I tell you I have the ability and I have strategies that I can share with you that could help you make you $5,000 in the next 90 days, I can do that because I have done it. You understand? So if you are seeing this video and you want to get into the mentorship and you want to be among the 90 days publishing challenge, all you need to do is to send me a message on WhatsApp and say, I want to make payment for the discount offer. Please don't let indecision actually destroy your 2026. I know you have plans of actually making a lot of money, and you've said for yourself, this year I will be making 100 million. You actually need a skill. You need a vehicle that can help you make any amount that you want to make. And I'm actually presenting to you that opportunity right now. It might be forex trading, it might be YouTube automation, but when it comes to book publishing, I am the only person in Africa that can actually show you how to run this business effectively and how to make money from it. As always, my name is Value Bank and I will be rooting for you all from afar. If you are getting the course, please use the number on your screen. Contact me on WhatsApp. Just say I want to make payment for your course using the that is on discount. All you need to do is pay 20,000 instead of the actual price of 30,000, and you will get access to the course. You get access to my Google Play Boost course. You also get access to the 90 days challenge. Thank you so much for watching. I want to see you in the next video.